वेलकम एवरीवन। हैंडलिंग डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर के पिछले सेशन में हमने एक असंतुष्ट ग्राहक की पहचान करना सीखा। हमने उन कारणों की भी पहचान की जो एक कस्टमर को डिससेटिस्फाइड बनाते हैं। इसके साथ हमने विभिन्न प्रकार के डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर्स की पहचान करने की कोशिश की। मैं शुभांकर दे आज के सेशन हैंडलिंग डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर पार्ट 2 में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज हमारे सीखने का उद्देश्य है कि किस प्रकार एक एंग्री, एक इरिटेटेड और एक इमोशनल कस्टमर बिहेव करते हैं और हम डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर को संभालने के तरीके जानेंगे। आइए हम डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर से संबंधित कुछ सिनेरियोज को देखते हैं।
Excuse me.
Yes,
I have a booking. My name is Shantanu Datta.
Santanu Datta.
Yeah, it's a corporate booking. Check.
Sorry, your name is not here.
Name is not there.
Yes, yes. Not here.
See this message? This is from your end. Please check this message. You can see it's a confirmed booking.
Is it confirmed? I don't think so. This is from our website. Can you please check it?
I have made the payment. See, this is your hotel's name. This is from your website.
But what to do? No, it is not reflecting here.
I don't know. I have got a confirmation, man.
I cannot help you in this.
I also
because
have the email confirmation for this.
what would I do with that email
Check,
confirmation?
check,
Because
check.
it is not
So,
reflecting here.
See, this is
it's not my problem.
See, this
It's
is not the
my
first time
problem.
I'm staying in this hotel. Understand?
So what will I do? Go do whatever you want to do.
I have followed all the procedures. I have got a confirmation booking, and you are denying that. You can't do that. Just check.
But it is not reflecting here. No, I cannot help you in this.
I don't think you are capable for this.
So
Call your manager.
I don't have my manager is not there. Whatever you talk to
Then
me.
you
on this.
tackle with the issue. See, I have a booking, man. I have to
Because
go for
if
it.
it is not
meeting.
reflecting here, I cannot do anything. Go somewhere.
But there might be some issues. Just check once.
No, it's not reflecting here. What will I do?
And this is not the correct way to deal.
I don't know. Whatever you want to
I
do.
have all the correct
Get lost.
documentation. I have a mail confirmation. I have a SMS done. I
It
made
is
the
not
payment.
reflecting here. If you don't believe, you can check here. No?
Do it,
Check.
not do. There might be some problem. Check it.
Is there your name is reflecting here?
It
No.
is not there, but I also have the documents. No,
No,
I
I
have
don't
the
know about this
confirmation.
one. I don't know about this one. Go.
This is the way you deal. I will give negative feedback on this.
Do whatever you want
online
to do.
and go.
Do whatever you want to do. Please go.
What the hell, man?
इस सिनेरियो में दिखाया गया है कि कैसे एग्जीक्यूटिव के अनप्रोफेशनल व्यवहार ने कस्टमर को क्रोधित किया। आइए हम अगला सिनेरियो देखते हैं।
Disgusting. Complete
Sorry,
disgusting.
Sorry, sir. What happened, sir?
What happened? I landed around 1 hour back. I found out this message that my booking got cancelled. How my booking got cancelled? Tell me. I haven't cancelled it.
Give me 2 minutes, sir. I'll just check it. Please give me the phone and
Check,
the booking
check.
ID.
Do it, do it, do
Thank
it.
you, sir.
How this
Sorry,
happens?
sir. Yes, sir. We do understand your concern. Sorry, sir. Actually, it is not your problem. This is there is a technical difficulty on
What
our
technical?
website.
What
There
technical
was some
difficulty?
technical difficulty due to which mistakenly it got cancelled, sir. So you do not need to.
I
worry.
don't understand anything.
Yes, sir.
You have to give me the booking. I haven't cancelled
Yes.
it. How it got cancelled?
Yes, sir.
Do
We
it.
will do it. We will arrange one alternate room for
And
you
do it fast. Do
immediately.
it. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast.
Sir, water bottle, please.
What
Please
bottle
have
of
some
water? Do it.
You must be tired. Please have the bottle
Please,
of water. Give me
please.
2 minutes. I'll
I'm
just
in a
call
hurry.
my
Please.
manager. I'll arrange one room.
इस सिनेरियो में हालांकि कस्टमर गुस्से में था, परंतु एग्जीक्यूटिव शांत और कस्टमर को एक सॉल्यूशन प्रदान करने की कोशिश की। अब हम एक इरिटेटेड कस्टमर से संबंधित सिनेरियो देखते हैं।
Excuse me. Good evening. Excuse me.
Yes.
Actually, I have made a booking today in the name of Chandamata Chaudhary. Please check. My husband is also waiting outside. It's our anniversary today. The booking was done 2 days before.
Let me check.
Please check with me. It was done 2 days before. I have also received the booking ID. I have
No.
arranged for all the.
What's your name?
flowers.
What's your name?
Chandamata Chaudhary.
Oh, your name is not here. Sorry,
Can
your
it
booking
be
is
like
not there.
this? Booking has been done. Please check. Booking ID has been generated for room number 206.
No, no,
I
it's
had
not
also
there. It's
arranged
not there.
flowers and bouquets and cakes also.
No,
Actually, it's
I
my
don't know.
anniversary,
The
that's why.
booking is not here. Your booking is not here. Your
Can
name
you
is
see
not
like this? Please check nicely. How can you see like this? My husband is waiting outside. Everything is planned. Payment has been done. Please check nicely. But how
No,
can
no,
you
no.
see
It's
like
not
this?
there.
Please
You
don't
just
say
see.
like this.
You can see. Is your name is
This
there?
is-
No, I cannot do anything.
No, then look here. I have a message also. Look here. This is the booking ID. How can you
I
see
don't
that
know
it's
about
not in
this.
here?
But in my system, it is not there.
What
The
will
room
I
is
do now?
someone is there in your room.
What someone is there in my room? What will I do now? Everything has been done. We have come all the way down till this place. What is this? And you were saying that someone else is in the room. You have given the room to someone else, and why did you make the payment?
I have not given the room to someone else.
Then-
Someone has already booked. I
Then
cannot
why-
do anything.
I have also made a
Check
booking.
somewhere.
Please check.
Okay, you can check somewhere else. I'm extremely sorry.
This is not the kind of service that you give. What is this? What will I do now? I'll complain to the head office. Just now I'll complain.
यहाँ हमने देखा कि एग्जीक्यूटिव बहुत ही कैजुअल था और कस्टमर को सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं था। इसी तरह आइए देखते हैं कि नेक्स्ट सिनेरियो क्या है।
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Actually, I had made a booking
Okay.
on my name, Chandamita Chaudhary. Please check.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually,
I'll just check.
Yes, it is a booking for our anniversary. My husband is also waiting outside. I had ordered for cakes, then flowers, decorations, everything. I hope everything is done and completed. I'm really excited.
Okay, that's so nice, ma'am. But I'm extremely sorry, ma'am. Your name is not reflecting here in the booking list.
What? Is that reflecting?
Yes, yes.
But I
it is
have a
not there.
booking ID. Look, this is the booking ID. Payment has been done, and also this room number has been allowed at 206.
Yes, 206. It is allowed. No problem, ma'am. There may be a little technical problem. I'll just check.
What will I do? I came all the way with my husband. All those planning I had planned, whatnot. We have been planning for this for 6 months now.
Extremely
what I
sorry,
will
ma'am. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, but don't worry, ma'am. I will arrange an alternate room for you. Alternate room with same facility is
But I
available
had
in the room.
booked it online. So what happens is like view and all those things. I had planned all those things.
Yes,
now it
ma'am.
will be
I can
changed.
understand your
Everything
problem.
will be
I'm
changed,
extremely
no?
sorry. Sometimes it happens with some technical problems, so I'm sorry for the inconvenience. But don't worry, same arrangement will be done. Same arrangement will be done. Don't worry, it will be done right
Please
away.
try, please try.
Yes,
please
yes,
try.
ma'am. I will just arrange an alternate room right away.
Okay, please do whatever you can. Please try to maintain the.
Yes, everything will be
Please try
done.
to
No
maintain
problem,
that. Please
ma'am.
try to-
Okay. Thank you. Please be seated. I will just arrange.
Okay, please arrange it. I'll just have a-
यहाँ हमने देखा कि एग्जीक्यूटिव कस्टमर से सहानुभूति रखता था और माफी मांग रहा था। आइए अब देखते हैं कि नेक्स्ट सिनेरियो में क्या है।
Oh. Hello. Hello. I purchased this just a few days back. It's not working. You take it back. Give me my money. I want my money.
Okay. When did you buy this?
I don't know. I have this one. I forgot. You see this.
Oh,
I
you-
think
okay,
7
okay.
days back.
Oh, 1 week back, right?
Yeah.
You have purchased.
Give me money.
Okay. What is the problem?
It's not working.
It's not working. Okay.
Yeah, money.
You have
money.
purchased this one. No? When you
Yeah.
purchase, have you checked? It's working, right? The day you purchase, it's working. You have checked
No, no,
everything. You have checked
I
and
don't
checked.
know. I don't know. I
What
want
you
money.
don't know, you have made mistakes and you have made the
You
problem
have-
in your
you-
home
your
and you come to access. No access.
Your company has given me bad product. I want money back. That's it.
You know how to read the bill?
No, I
Yeah,
don't
it is,
know.
it is written here. Once the good is sold, no return, no refund. Okay.
So
I don't
no,
know.
no. You have
Get
cheated.
lost.
You have cheated. Your company has cheated me. I want money.
Do whatever you want to do. No refund, no return. Go away.
यहाँ हमने देखा कि कस्टमर इमोशनल था, परंतु एग्जीक्यूटिव गुस्से से कस्टमर को चले जाने को कहा। आइए हम अगले सिनेरियो को देखते हैं।
Madam,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. I bought this charger This one light 7 days back. So it's not working. It's showing problem. I want a refund. I don't want to purchase it. You just take it back.
Can I see the receipt, sir?
Yeah, you take it back and give me my money because it's my hard-earned money. You have given me a bad product. I don't need this. You give me the money.
Actually, sir, as per the date of the receipt, it has been already 1 week, and we do not have this.
Doesn't matter.
We do not have, sir, refund. or
Doesn't matter,
exchange.
ma'am. I need money. It's 2,000 rupees. I have paid my hard-earned money. I just need it. I just need my money back.
I understand, sir, but we are extremely sorry. We cannot give you a refund or an exchange.
Ma'am, I
There's
want my
no
money
policy
back.
in there,
I
sir.
want my
There's no
money
policy
back.
in there, sir. We are extremely sorry for it.
You do something, ma'am. Please do something. It's my hard-earned money. You have cheated me. Your company, your store has cheated me. I want my
Something
money
like
back.
that, sir. We are extremely sorry. We not expected because it is a good brand, sir. We thought that we were not expecting it actually, sir.
Give me my money. I don't want to listen anything. You just give me my money.
Sir, I'll just have a talk with my manager. Please give it to me.
Do
sir. Please
something,
give
but
it
I
to
want
me,
my
sir.
money.
Yes, I'll just go.
यहाँ आपने देखा कि एग्जीक्यूटिव कस्टमर के साथ सहानुभूति से बात कर रही थी और कस्टमर को शांत करने की कोशिश कर रही थी। मैं आशा करता हूं कि इन सिनेरियोस के माध्यम से आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कस्टमर समझने में सहायता होगी। आइए अब हम सीखते हैं इन डिफरेंट या डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर से कैसे डील करना चाहिए। हमेशा याद रखिए, एक अच्छे कस्टमर केयर एग्जीक्यूटिव को हमेशा कस्टमर की समस्या को पूरी तरह से सुनना चाहिए। हमेशा कस्टमर के साथ एम्पैथी रखने का कोशिश करना चाहिए और आवश्यकता पड़े तो एग्जीक्यूटिव को कस्टमर से माफी मांगना चाहिए। कस्टमर के साथ बोलते समय हमारा टोन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कस्टमर के साथ कभी भी हाई पिच टोन में बात ना करें क्योंकि आपका बिहेवियर एग्रेसिव या रूड प्रतीत होगा। मान लें कि आपके सभी कस्टमर्स आपके बिहेवियर को देख रहे हैं, इसीलिए अपने बिहेवियर पे कंट्रोल रखें। सिचुएशन को ठीक तरह से समझें और तय करें कि कस्टमर के रिक्वेस्ट को कंप्लाई कब करना है। ग्राहकों के साथ डील करते समय हमेशा अपने इमोशंस पर कंट्रोल रखें और अंत में कस्टमर के कमेंट या क्रिटिसिज्म को पर्सनली ना लें क्योंकि आप कंपनी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं। आपका बुरा व्यवहार आपके कंपनी के इमेज को बुरा कर सकता है। आज हमने देखा डिफरेंट कस्टमर बिहेवियर्स और कैसे डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर को हैंडल किया जाता है। आशा करते हैं इस सेशन से आप सबको डिफिकल्ट कस्टमर हैंडल करने में सहायता होगी। थैंक यू, कीप लर्निंग।